about this background though. Hello, can you say upgrade? Hey y'all, it's Brianalynn and welcome to my channel where you will find lifestyle, DIY, and beauty. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, hey bestie. Please be sure to join the bestie squad by subscribing down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you truly enjoyed it. If you're feeling crazy, go ahead and share with a friend. Why not? So as you can see, for today's look, we're going to be getting very colorful. This is in honor of the month of June. It is Pride Month, so if you don't know what that is, look it up. This look to me is something very special, and I don't want to get too into it because I don't want to cry. It means a lot to me to celebrate Pride and stand with others in the LGBTQ community. There may be more letters that I'm missing. I'm sorry, don't come for me. I have a lot of friends that are gay. I have a lot of family members that are gay. And my little sister, I truly love her and adore her. And she means so much to me. So, oh my God, I'm starting to cry. Okay, without getting too much into it, just a little background. My sister came out to my mom when she was about 12, 13, and growing up in a Hispanic household, homosexuality is normally not accepted. Oh, hold on. Don't want to cry because I don't want to ruin the look. But I get very emotional about this because it's something real that a lot of you guys are experiencing out there with your families. My parents did have a hard time at first accepting it. I was always had the attitude that you are who you are, I accept you how you are, and I don't judge you. So eventually my parents came around to accepting it, and now we're here. My sister is a grown woman making her own choices. You know, she is who she is, and I love her for that. I can only imagine the experience she has had as being a lesbian woman of color in the world. And I bring that up because support is definitely something that's much needed during those hard times and those experiences. That's like the 4th time I've had to fix my makeup because I tear up and my eyeliner is running. It's not gonna tear up anymore, I promise. I think you promise. Kind of, maybe not. Okay, anyways, the whole reason for me doing this look is to show support to those that need it most in the LGBTQ community and the community itself. Okay, make that the 5th time I've had to fix my makeup because I tear up because I'm a little baby. So the last thing I just want to leave you with before we get into this look is that everyone is entitled to be who they are and to express themselves as they are and not to fit into someone else's mold of who they should be or a society's box of what they should like or who they should like or what they should do, how they should be called. I hope that this video inspires you to be who you are proudly. Express yourself and love others the way you want to be loved. So I do hope that you can also do your part in helping to celebrate and support during Pride Month. With that said, let's go ahead and get into this look before I cry again. Okay, so let's go ahead and start recreating this look. To start, I'm going to use my brow pencil. I'm going to go ahead and fill it in, carve it out, and I'll be right back. So for my eye base, I'm going to be using my LA Colors concealer. I'm using a white base because I want my eyeshadow colors, as you can see, I really want them to pop. And if you use like regular concealer like I usually do, it's not going to give you that same effect. So we're going for the biggest, the brightest, the boldest, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over the lid and just paint it on. I'm going to go in with my Luxie 209 brush. This is a large shader brush, and I'm just going to blend and buff all that in. You're taking it all the way up to the eyebrow. So our base is on. I'm not going to set it with powder like I normally would. I'm going to just leave it wet and tacky so that the color sticks to it. So for our eyeshadow, we're going to be using BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. So I'm going to be going in with my small shader brush. This is from Wet n Wild. I think I got this at the dollar store. If you haven't seen my dollar store makeup full face, check it out. Using the brightest pink here, I'm going to go ahead and stamp that on the inner corner. So between colors, I am going to be wiping off my brush. As you can tell, this is my makeup wipe, so to do this eye, I was just cleaning it off in between colors. I want to keep using this brush.
I don't want to dirty all my brushes that I just cleaned.
All my colors that are very vibrant like this have a ton of fallout. So now I'm going to go in with the next color. We're going to go in with purple, the deepest and darkest one. Next color is blue. I'm going to be switching between this blue and this blue. I like the color in this one, but I like how dark this one is. So we're gonna mix them. So the goal is to try to get this eye to match this eye as much as possible. It's insane to even think that I'm gonna get them to match up perfectly. So we're gonna go for cousins versus sisters, you know what I mean? Alright, so the next color is going to be green. This one here. And we're just gonna go ahead and keep stamping it in the crease. Okay, so to blend, I'm taking a Luxie brush, BoxyCharm. If you haven't checked out my BoxyCharm video,
click the link above.
I'm going to be dipping back into all the colors we just used, the pink, the purple, the blue, and the green, because I want them to connect evenly, smoothly, and then I'm going to blend the outer edge just a little bit. So just going in with the pink a little bit to blend the purple and the pink. I'm going to go in with the purple now and blend the purple and the blue. A lot of repetitive steps in this look because we want to keep the look clean. If you don't wipe off your brush, the shadow can become very muddy and then the colors mix a little too much, making it a whole nother color. Going in with the blue color, I'm going to mix the green. I'm going to use the same brush, I'm just going to clean it off very, very good. And I'm going to go in and blend the outer edges. Now using a Q-tip and my Tarte Micellar water, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. So I'm going to go back in with the LA concealer in white and I'm going to put it back into my crease area so that the colors are popping once we put them on. The trick I like to do is I like to put it on my eyelid and then look up and it'll leave the little stamp of where your crease is. So I'm going in with my MAC 253 brush, flat shader brush, and I'm just going to really use this to get in the little crevice to make it nice and neat. We're going to start on the outer corner and I'm going to do red. Now it's time for our orange color. This is the bright, this is actually, it's more like the only orange in the palette. This one's shimmery and it's not even that orangey, so I'm just going to say this is the only orange in the palette. We're going to go with that one. This orange reminds me of Cheetos. And you're going to put it right next to the red. Alright, I know this is looking crazy now, but trust me, it came out looking like this at the end, so stay with it. Alright, so for our last color, it's going to be yellow. We're going with the brightest one, because we want to be a
Bright, shining star.
And that is going right into our inner corner. Okay, so now here comes the
Fun part.
And the hard part. I'm going to go ahead and draw the wing liner and do my crease liner using the Sephora black felt tip eyeliner.
Yeah, I'm very scared about this part.
It can go horribly wrong or it can go just the way I want it to go. Oh, I'm so scared because I don't want to mess it up. Oh, almost messed up. So now here's the really, really, really make or break part. Drawing that crease liner. We got this. Heart is like, ooh, 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 ooh. You have hooded eyes. If you're working with anything wet in the crease area, be sure to keep your eye closed. I've connected it. Now I just gotta thicken it up. The reason I'm making it more thick is because, like I said, my eyes are hooded. So when I open my eyes all the way, it kind of hides it. So one of the problems I'm having with this eyeliner is that it's leaving the edges really janky. I guess because it's the felt tip. I'm just going back in with that angled brow brush and just lightly going over the edges so that they're not so like janky. I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on my natural lashes and then apply my falsies. On my natural lashes, I'm using the Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. I don't know if it's just because I'm hungry right now, but this smells like buttered popcorn. I'm going to take the yellow color and right above our outer crease, I'm going to put that yellow so that it looks like it's kind of glowing, a neon effect, and it kind of blends all the colors together. There's also going to be a lot of fallout. Going back in with a Q-tip and my micellar water, I'm going to use this to clean up the rest of the white base. Be very careful with this because you're only taking off the white base right outside the yellow we just put. I'm going to put my lash on before the glue dries up completely. Now to blend my natural lashes, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright, full face is done. I went ahead and did my lips. For any lip products you would like to know about, I'll list them down below in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom shadow. So I'm going to take my setting powder, just because there's a lot of fallout from these shadows, but we're not baking because I kind of already set my under eyes. So this is just for the fallout. Yeah, just like that. Looks crazy, I know. So I'm going to be using that same Luxie 111 brush. And I'm thinking, since I have a red shirt on, let's do red on the bottom. So I have to look up when I do this. I can't look anywhere else.
That's cute.
Oh, we cute. We cute. We cute. We cute. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so that is the completed look. How do you think it came out? We cute. Hey. I think this look turned out great, given the fact that I've never played with color like this. It was my first time. I think we did pretty good for a beginner. Is it symmetrical? No. Is it perfect? Definitely not. But give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Tag me on Instagram. Comment down below. Are you celebrating Pride Month, and how are you doing it? I hope you enjoyed this look. If you would like more content, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with a friend. And if you're feeling really crazy, you can go ahead and turn on the bell notification so that you are notified when I post my videos every Wednesday. I'll see you on my next one, guys. Thickening, and then it just